Let's say you want to sell your VanMoof to a new person. First thing you need to do is make sure you're prepared to give them the activation code. How do you do that? Well, you go into the VanMoof app on your phone. If it's not there, just re-download the app and the information in your account will populate there. The top thing you really want to check is make sure your email is in the account, that it's accurate and up to date, and you can still access that email. Why is that? Because when you click remove this bike from this account, which is here, it's going to send an email with a new activation code to your email that's on file. So go into your app, go to the settings, click on advanced, and then scroll all the way to the bottom. When you get to the bottom, you'll see it right there. It says, click here to remove this bike from this account. I think it'll also prompt you, are you sure? Yes. When you do that, it's going to generate that email and send the email to your email that's in the account. It's going to look just like this. And if your VanMoof came with a little manual on the back, there's a little sticker, and that sticker will also have the frame number, the validation code, the MAC address, and the product code. Just FYI, the frame number is also on your bike on the bottom bracket on the bottom. If for some reason you can't get the activation code, make sure you get a bill of sale from the person you bought it from, and then email support@vanmoof.com with the bill of sale, with the frame number. And it can take a while. It's possible you bought a heavy paperweight, but if you have that information, bill of sale, you should be good. If you have any questions, check out the notes down below and I'll be happy to answer them.